Hey everyone, my name is Garrett. I'm with G&M Outdoor Services. Today I'm out here with Virnig Attachments. They brought me out this nice brand new 72-inch brush mower. We're out here mowing some trails through these woods. It's going to be like a recreational park. This thing worked amazingly well. Honestly, it really surprised me. It's a 18 gallons per minute hydraulic flow. You can see right here, I got about a 6-7 inch cedar tree. It just like completely disintegrated this thing. So it came in, cut it right down, chewed it all right up. It never bogged, never slowed. I was honestly very impressed. I've used a lot of brush mowers over the years. For the last 10 years, I've been buying, renting brush mowers, and this one honestly really impressed me. Got the job done. Did everything we needed to do. It cuts grass good, cedar trees like this, small brush, bigger brush, small tree that's about 6-inch diameter. Worked really well. I'm looking forward to using this a bunch more in the future.